Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the app proper permissions, so Discord can use your microphone without errors. Next, plug in a wired headset or use a known good Bluetooth device, because hardware faults are the most common cause. Once done, close background apps that might steal audio resources or Bluetooth profiles. Make sure your device audio profile is set to media and not phone call mode, since that changes bitrate and processing. Now open Discord and join a test voice channel to begin configuration. You will now tune Discord settings so audio is clean and stable. First, pick input mode, voice activity for convenience, push to talk when background noise is a problem, and then disable advanced voice activity to avoid overprocessing. Also turn off aggressive noise suppression and echo cancellation if they muffle your voice. Test with a friend or a recorded message. Finally, set input sensitivity manually. Slide until your normal speech triggers but background noise does not, and observe waveform. Finish by checking software. Update Discord in your phone OS because bugs often cause quality drops. If you still hear distortion, swap to an external mic or a USB-C adapter. Hardware bypasses problematic Bluetooth stacks. When satisfied, run a final call and listen for clipping or latency. If things go wrong, reset Discord voice settings to defaults and restart the app. That often clears corrupted configs. If audio still fails, record a short clip and compare it on another device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.